Here we are discussing question number 7 from exercise 3.1 of chapter number 3, Trigonometric Functions. Question has been taken from NCERT book of class 11. Here question is, find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length. There are three parts of these questions. So length of arc in first part is 10 centimeter, second part 15 centimeter, and third part 21 centimeter. Very interesting and important question. Let us see the solution here. Suppose this is a pendulum like this. What is its length? This is given, length is 75 centimeter. At its swings like this up to 10 centimeter. Suppose this is O, this point is A, and this point is B. So for the first case, this is length of arc. AB is length of arc. So the first case, length of arc AB, this is given how much? 10 centimeter. And this will be OA or OB will be taken as radius. So R is equal to 75 centimeter. We have to find the central angle theta in the radian. So we know the formula, theta is equal to L by R. So using this formula for this first part, we will get central angle theta is equal to L is AB. This is 10 centimeter in this case, and R is length of pendulum, which is 75 centimeter. So 5 2s are 10, 15 times. So we are getting here 2 by 15 radian. This is the answer of first part. Similarly, for the second part, theta is equal to L by R. In second case, length of arc is 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter, and radius will remain same for all the three cases. Radius is 75 centimeter. Cancel it. 15 1 ja 15, 15 5 ja 75. So this is equal to 1 by 5 radian. This is the answer of second case. And third case, here theta will be L by R. L is 21 centimeter and R is radius OA or OB. This is 75. 3 7 ja 21, 25 into 3. So this is equal to 7 by 25 radian. This is the answer of third part. This is the central angle. Subscribe at the point O when the pendulum of length 75 centimeter swings length 21 centimeter in this third case. Okay, so very simple, interesting and important question. Hope you understood it. So remain in touch with this channel, HiQ Learning. Now we will start exercise 3.2, and please share this video with your friends also, so that they could also get benefit of it. And hope you are enjoying these videos, getting benefit of it. So your likes are most welcome. Wish you all the best.